Hey guys, it's Nick. It's Sunday afternoon, May 16th, around 3 o'clock, and I'm heading over to Indian Rocks Beach today. It's a nice sunny day. It's like 88, 89 degrees. I'm going to see if I can get a spot in the parking lot and check out the beach. So on a weekend afternoon, it's really difficult, if not impossible, and really frustrating to try to find parking at these small beach parking lots like St. Pete Beach, Treasure Island, Indian Rocks Beach. And so a lot of times you just drive into the municipal parking lot that they have there, and you're kind of trapped there for 10-15 minutes trying to get out, realizing that there's 20 other cars in there trying to find a parking spot that almost nobody is going to get. So I'm curious to see what it's like here in Indian Rocks Beach and see how long it will take me to get a spot, if I get a spot. Alright, it's 3:05. Let's see how long it takes me to go through here and get out if I don't find the spot. Okay, so it's what, 3:13, so I only wasted 8 minutes driving around here, hoping to get a spot, which was not gonna happen. And so now what do? I'm gonna go south and see see if I can get a spot, maybe all the way down at Paso Grill Beach. We'll see. So this parking lot isn't huge like Fort DeSoto or anything, but it's big enough that I was able to get a spot pretty quickly. Let's see what the beach looks like. And this beach here says that there's no lifeguard on duty. Parking here is $2.50 an hour, and there's a bathroom right there where you can change to go to the beach.
We got order room and...
So I have never been to this beach before. Let's see what it looks like. There's a shower there to wash your feet and wash off after the beach. Nice day today, probably 89, 90 degrees by now. Not a super wide beach. But the sand looks pretty nice. I'm gonna find a spot and check out the water. A lot of people in the water. Water looks really clear, no seaweed or anything. Definitely a nice beach. Only problem is that it's very residential over here. Not a lot of stores and not a lot of parking, of course. So let's take a look at this water. Good temperature, really clear. Can't wait to jump in here in a few minutes. So going down this way is south. You got Madeira Beach, John's Pass, Treasure Island, St. Pete Beach, Paso Grill Beach. And then going north here, you got Indian Rocks Beach. And then up more is Clearwater and all of that. So looking at this beach, it definitely looks more like a family crowd. Like I said, there's not a lot of stores and everything. This island here, this barrier island, is really narrow, and it's a lot of residential and maybe just a lot of vacation condos or something like that. Not a lot of hotels. So definitely more of a family vibe here. And just the problem coming out to these places on popular days like today is the parking. And if you come all the way out here and you don't find a parking spot, there's not a lot of options. You got to go someplace else. It's not like there's big, private parking lots where you can pay, like in Clearwater Beach, for instance. So if you come here and you can't get a spot in these municipal lots, you're pretty much out of luck, and you got to go someplace else. But really cool vibe here. A lot of people out and swimming. A lot of whole families here doing the whole picnic day at the beach kind of thing, with their boogie boards and rafts and whatnot. So this beach is definitely a good option if you want something kind of quiet. Only thing is, like I said, if you're going to come here, either get here real early in the day or come later on in the afternoon in the hopes of finding a parking spot. Since this is the Gulf, there's not a lot of big waves. It's not that windy today, and so it's really calm.
But Chandler.
So these buildings around here are definitely a lot of older type buildings. Like these look like from the, I don't know, 70s or something like that. Definitely some newer buildings also, so it's kind of a mix. If you want to stay out here and not worry about parking, that's definitely an option. It looks like there's a lot of rental condos and whatnot you can get probably on Airbnb or whatever. So guys, that's my look at Indian Shores Beach. A great beach to come to, more quiet of a vibe than a Clearwater. Parking could be an issue, but it has a pretty big parking lot. So either come early or come late in the day, like after 3, like I did, and you'll have a good time and really good vibe here and really great water. Look how clear that is. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.